Hey guys, sorry about the glare. Can't do anything about it right now. Today we are going to do a science experiment. And in this science experiment, all you need to do it is one egg, a glass, and vinegar. But for this to work, it takes a full 24 hours. So you have to track the time you put the experiment together. From that moment on, you have to wait 24 hours before you can move on to the next thing. And what you're going to do is take the egg and put it inside the glass. And then once the egg is in there, you're going to take the vinegar and pour it into the cup. We're just going to pretend I did that because I've already done it yesterday. So I can show you what happens. So this egg has been sitting in vinegar for a full 24 hours. And you can see it's bubbling. And if you look into the top, that brown stuff on top is the shell. The shell dissolved from the egg. And what it does, and look, it's very, very bubbly still. And you rinse it off in water and get rid of the extra. Oh no, I dropped it. So I'm washing it off and getting rid of the vinegar. And what you should be left with is a clean egg that is squishy and bouncy. I don't know how bouncy it is, but it is kind of bouncy. So we're gonna see it can bounce and it doesn't break. And I can squeeze it. I can actually squeeze it quite a bit. And then let's see what happens if I drop it from high. Let's see. Oh, it broke. Well, so you know you can't drop it from up high. And now I have a mess to clean up. Hope you guys have fun, so don't drop the egg. Bye.